Hello, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language in the Threads app on your Android phone. Whether you want to switch to English, Spanish, or any other language, this quick guide will walk you through each step clearly and simply. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Threads app. Next, make sure you're in the Profile section. You can get there by tapping the profile icon. Then, tap the two horizontal lines located in the top right corner. Scroll down through the menu until you see the Language option. Tap on it. Now, you'll see a list of available languages. Choose the language you prefer from the list. Once selected, the app will instantly update the interface to the language you picked. No need to restart the app. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in the Threads app on your Android device. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more.